Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to activate your Cambly Tutor account and start teaching English while earning instantly, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the entire process to get you started on Cambly. Step 1. Visit the Cambly website. Begin by navigating to the Cambly website. This is your starting point for becoming an English tutor. Look for the Become a Tutor option on the homepage. Step 2. Fill out the application form. Once you click on Become a Tutor, you will be directed to an application form. Here, you'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and location. Make sure to double-check your information before continuing. Step 3. Complete the video interview. After submitting the application form, you will need to complete a video interview. This is your opportunity to showcase your personality and communication skills. Ensure you have a quiet space and a good internet connection for this part. Step 4. Verify your identity. Cambly requires verification of your identity. You will be asked to upload a valid ID and other necessary documents. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Step 5. Wait for your approval. Once you have submitted all necessary documents, you will need to wait for Cambly to review your application. This process may take a few days, so be patient. You will receive an email notification once your application is approved. Step 6. Set up your profile. After gaining approval, it's time to set up your tutor profile. This includes adding a profile picture, writing a brief bio, and indicating your teaching preferences. A well-crafted profile will help attract students. Step 7. Start teaching. Now that your profile is set up, you are ready to start tutoring. Log into your Cambly account, set your availability, and start connecting with students from all over the world. Becoming a Cambly tutor is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to teaching English and earning money instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.